Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to edit videos on Omlet Arcade. Well, Omlet Arcade servers shut down on June 30, 2023, preventing new accounts and live streaming. Consequently, video editing on Omlet Arcade is currently unavailable. However, if the servers reopen in the future, here's a general guide on how to edit videos using the Omlet Arcade app. Well, start. Open the Omlet Arcade app. Then in here, tap the plus icon at the center button. Then tap Editor. Select video you want to edit from your library. Then tap on the video to open the editing option. You can trim the video by adjusting the start and end points, ensuring it fits your desired length. Explore additional editing features like adding music, text, or overlays to enhance your video. Experiment with Omlet Arcade's filters and effects to give your video a unique touch. After editing, preview the changes and make further adjustments if needed. Once satisfied, save the edited video to your device. And that's how to edit videos on Omlet Arcade. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.